Hey guys, welcome into Love and Light. I hope all is well. I hope you guys are doing amazing, doing your best, being your best, feeling your best. Here with general reading for Taurus. Cross watchers are welcome. Please be sure to take what resonates and leave what does not. If it does not fit, please do not force it. So let's see here what the cards want to reveal. Let's see. Somebody's being protective of their energy, their space at this time. Situationship. We have unclear boundaries, mixed signals, more than friends, less than lovers. What are we? I don't know. You could be dealing with an Aries. Aries just I just pulled this card for Aries. Now, this could also be an indication that something within a relationship is coming back up, or it's coming back to the surface. It resurfaces. You know, like this could be something that like you've been questioning, and then you kind of like just settle with whatever it is, like, but now it's coming back up. So if something here is resurfacing, like if you've been questioning a relationship and I don't know, maybe you swept it under the rug, or maybe you just been hoping something gets better, or maybe you're someone looking for commitment. Something here is resurfacing. It's like something here coming back around. Mixed signals, unclear boundaries, more than friends, less than lovers. Where are we? Why is this here for Taurus Spirit Cross Watchers? Please make sure y'all place the energies where you best see fit. I could say them and it be you, you know. So let's see. I want to give a good shuffle. The fact that this just came back up, I just want to make sure get a good shuffle on these cards. All right. So at the bottom of the deck, we have the Nine of Swords. Okay. There could be something here about movement, though. We have the Two of Pentacles, the King of Wands. Like, there's a decision or a choice. Somebody here is needing to really get clear on what matters the most. So this is like questioning something about a relationship or a connection. You have a choice between two people, places, things, or paths. You could be looking at your relationships as a whole, though, and questioning your relationships. And when it comes to the Two of Pentacles, it's about balance. You know, what aligns with you, what aligns with your values and who you're becoming. What's most important, right? Juggling. We have the King of Wands, the Empress, the Ace of Cups, the King of Cups, and the Magician. Being that situationship is here, the Two of Pentacles, this could be emotional juggling. The Two of Pentacles is a classic situationship card. Juggling feelings, juggling priorities, juggling expectations, as well as the connection itself. This is the I'm into you, but I'm not fully choosing you energy. It's the balance that keeps the situationship spinning. The imbalance. Yeah, the imbalance. So, passionate pursuer, King of Wands. This person is bold, charismatic, and confident. They pursue you with fire, but not always with consistency. So in a situationship, the King of Wands is someone that shows passion, shows desire, shows intensity, but doesn't show stability. It's like they want you, but on their terms. Okay, so the Empress here is the attraction and nurturing energy. You are the Empress, okay? Divine feminine energy. Okay, you could be in your divine feminine energy. This card shows magnetism. It shows your softness, your nurturing energy, your irresistible presence. In a situationship, the Empress says they see your value, but they haven't risen to match it. So you're the anchor of the connection. And with the Ace of Cups being here, this is the spark of real feelings, emotional beginnings, vulnerability. This is showing tenderness, the potential for love. Now, in a situationship, this is the moment where someone starts to feel more than they expected. The King of Cups. This person feels deeply but express slowly. So this is emotional maturity, emotional restraint, emotional control. In a situationship, this is the one who loves quietly. So, you know, someone here could be challenged with expressing how they feel, you know. The Magician, the power to shift the the dynamic. This is manifestation, intention, and conscious creation. And it shows that someone is trying to influence the connection. Someone is shaping the dynamic. Is someone using charm, timing, or energy to keep things going? In a situationship, though, the Magician is the I want you, but I want freedom too archetype. And when we take into consideration here the Two of Pentacles along with the Two of Cups, this is the I'm catching feelings, but I'm overwhelmed. And it's saying that someone is developing real emotions, but they're unsure how to handle them. So they juggle instead of choosing. This is the emotional wobble that defines the situationship. And the King of Wands, the King of Cups. King of Wands, King of Cups. All right. Powerful pairing here. Passion is on the surface, deep feelings underneath. There's desire plus emotional attachment. There's attraction plus emotional investment. But because both are kings, the energy here is it's control, is not expressed. So I feel more than I show. And with the Empress and the Magician, this is the most important here. card, this is saying that you are the one they're drawn to. You are the one with the influence. You are the one shaping the connection. You are the one they cannot replace. And they know that. And I feel like that's why we have the Nine of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Okay. Wherever I'm speaking to, I don't feel like this is your energy. It could be, but the Nine of Swords is a card of anxiety, overthinking, late night thoughts. It's emotional pressure. It's the fear of losing the connection. And what it is that you don't see coming is that someone is far more stressed about this connection than they're letting on. Okay. Someone here could be worried about losing you, disappointing you, not being enough. The connection, they can be like worried about the connection slipping away. You know, like that silent panic. The situationship is weighing on them more than you realize. I'm getting in a situation, I'm getting like the energy of someone here that it's something here with commitment. Commit. You know, like something here around commitment. I don't know if this person has had commitment issues in the past or committing to something. But situationship energy here, and the cards, they reveal that they're juggling the connection. They pursue you with passion. You're the magnetic center, and feelings are emerging, but emotions run deeper than expressed, and someone is shaping the dynamic. They're more anxious than you know. This situationship is emotionally charged. It's imbalanced and it's full of unspoken feelings. If this reading spoke to you, go ahead, hit that like button, share this message with someone who needs this clarity today. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss your next activation. I thank you guys so much. Sending you love and light.